Related trigonometric graphs, example 3. A water wave is represented by y is equal to 3 plus 4 sine 2t, as shown in the diagram. We know that t is measured in seconds, and the height of the wave is measured in meters. We're trying to find the equation of the points. Point C is where the midline crosses the y-axis. This is given in the equation. It's 3. So 0, 3 is point C. The amplitude of the wave relates to the multiplier of the sine. So this is 4. So we know that each wave is of height 4. So if we add 4 and 3, we get 7. So A must be the point 0.07. And if we take 4 from 3, we get -1. So E must be 0, -1. So that's the first part of the question answered. We have the coordinates of the points A, C, and E. Next, we're asked to find the period of the graph of this wave. Let's assume that we're measuring here in radians rather than in degrees. So the period is 2 pi divided by the multiplier here inside the angle, which is 2. So 2 pi divided by 2 is pi, and this will be in seconds. So the period is pi seconds, or 3.14 seconds. And lastly, we're to find the coordinates of the maximum and minimum points, H and I. So we can see that H, the height of H is going to be 7, so it's something 7. We can see also that it's 1/4 of the full wave. So since a full period is pi, it's going to be 1/4 pi and 7. So H is 1/4 pi 7. And pi over 4 is going to be measured in meters, and the 7 is in seconds. And lastly, we're to find the minimum value of the wave. We can see already that -1 is the output value here. The input value, though, we can see is 1/4 of a pi from the full wave, so 3/4 of pi, or is a half a wave on from the maximum point, if you wish. So 3/4 pi and -1. 3/4 pi is measured in seconds and -1 meters. Just to say, you could also check each of these values, input-output values, using the calculator. So we could put the function into the calculator and see that each of these values are correct.